so cold in here, guys. Morning, everyone. So yeah, I just woke up. I woke up early today, and Thomas went to get the coffee. Yeah, so our today's plan is we're gonna go to MESA VERDE National Park, which is 45 minutes away from here. And then if we have time, going back to Grand Junction, because National Arches National Park is just on the way home. So if we have time, we're gonna check that out as well, and some other attraction that's on the way. So yeah, we're just gonna prepare and pack our things, and we're gonna leave this hotel, and we're back on our road trip again. So we'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, we're back, and we're leaving na. We're heading to our next adventure.
We're leaving the Stratter Hotel. Yeah. It's old. Everything's old. And they're understaffed because of COVID. But we had fun.
Yeah, we did. It's kind of scary last night. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, I gave it to you. Did it help? Look at it. Get ready to be cold. It's a beautiful day. Okay. Let's go. Oh, it's dark. Okay. There's a ta-da! Freshness.
Isn't that crazy that the school's up there?
Oh, that's the school. Really?
Yeah.
The school is behind that hills. Okay, guys. We'll see you guys. Where are we going first? What is our first step?
I think we should just go to Mesa Verde so hopefully we have time to hit Arch.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Stopping at the gasoline station to get some snack and water. What is that?
It seemed like a bunch of missing persons.
That's 40 years ago now.
Right?
Yeah, 81.
It's warm in here.
That's the first video.
That is too cool. I like this water.
Well, then get it.
You too.
Later, Jake.
There's one with lemon.
Big water. No. Is that enough for both of us?
Yep.
Sure?
Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Probably.
What are you looking for?
I was looking for this one.
Oh, they don't have it.
Double shot coffee and protein.
That's it.
Where?
Oh, it doesn't have protein. Sad. So, what's about the Super Espresso? Hi, Annie. Okay guys, we are here at the MESA VERDE National Park. I think we have the whole park for just the two of us. Right, love? It's kinda cold, but it's so beautiful in here. Look at that. Yeah. We'll keep you posted. See you guys later. Bye. Okay. I think the reason why it's only us in here is maybe it's close. It's official. Guys, the visitor center is closed. But the thing is we can still explore.
Hi there.
How are you all doing today?
Good. How are you, sir?
Well, thanks for asking. Welcome to MESA VERDE.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do we got to see?
Let me guess. You're here to see primarily the archaeological sites and cliff drawings. Am I right?
Yes.
In that case, you're going to want to focus on our two driving routes, Mesa Top Loop Road and Spruce Tree House, which are both open as normal. Those roads you're going to find about 20 miles up the coast. You'll probably always stop sign at the end. So that's not some Spruce Tree House Loop is to the right and Mesa Top Loop is to the left. Now those two driving routes.
Look at that. Mount Garfield. I'm taking this video of your brother that we found here in MESA VERDE National Park. Okay, it's so cold in here, guys. Let's switch my jacket. Okay, so we're here at our first stop. Where are we, love?
The Hermosa Overlook, I believe.
Let's look at here if you're correct. I got way to MESA VERDE. Look at that. Wow, we're so high. Beast. Okay guys, we're here. We're here at Spruce Tree House. Is that correct? Oh, it's right there.
Spruce Tree Archaeological Site.
Exciting. Over there. close it. We're not gonna be able to be close to it. It's closed. Sad. That's what he said.
That red cactus.
Sad. So I'm wearing a mask. It's from my mother-in-law. Hi, Mimi. Thank you for the mask. Sad. Why is it closed? Aww. There's a falling what rock? Oh, I know now. Because
Meanwhile,
it's a little disappointing. It's close. We can't get close to that. See? The little, what do you call that? Old.
It's the spruce treehouse.
Yeah, it's a little town of old civilization that Indians, Native Americans used to live. Aww. We're gonna go check some petroglyphs in here, so we'll see you guys there. Bye. So yeah, that was a cost. So we're planning, if we have enough sunlight, we're just gonna go and check